just find you and I keep bleeding.
Hey lovelies, how you all doing? You're welcome back to this space. In case you're coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Joy and all I do here is teach you how to look beautiful. So today we're doing a kind of dark eyeshadow, smoky eyeshadow. If you've already watched my video on eyeshadow do's and don'ts, you should know why I was blending down my eyelid. So starting off, I'm using a gel liner as my base for this because it's black smoky eye. So instead of using eyeshadow primer, the type we normally use, I will use this black liner for it, and the black liner is from Get Right. So I'll just put that on my eyelid and I'll blend it. If you put this, make sure you blend it out so that you won't have any harsh line. So this is the brush I'll be using to blend that. So I'm done blending that. I'll be going in with my eyeshadow with this eyeshadow fluffy brush. I'll use that to add the black eyeshadow on top of the eyeliner I just blended. That eyeliner will help to hold that eyeshadow in place, and of course make sure you blend it out so well. After that, I'll be going in with this transition shade. I'll put it on the crease. I'll use it to blend out the black eyeshadow I just added. And of course, I'll make sure I blend it so well so there'll be no harsh line. We tried too many times. Don't misbehave. You must have known me. You make me crazy. Kinda like Johnny. Don't sit down better. Better. Making me lose my mind. Lose my mind 'cause I just. So next I'll be going in with my powder to blend everything. I'll use my powder to blend that transition shade I just added so that the color will just blend with the eyeshadow and then the concealer I used to highlight my brows. Take a piece of my heart again. I'll give you up, 'cause I just don't know. Something in your eyes, the way you stare me that I like. I wanna let you go, but it's like something knows me tight. You might break my heart tonight, but So after that, I'll be lining my waterline, and I use black. You can use color to line your waterline. Use colored liner. And after that, I went ahead to smudge my under eye with that black eyeshadow to smoke it out very well. This is very important if you're doing smoky eye. Don't skip that on the eye. And you guys can see, so I'm going ahead to fix the lashes now to help bring the look together. Making me lose my mind. Lose my mind 'cause I just don't know. Something in your eyes, the way you stare me that I like.
And so with that, we come to the end of this video. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment, and of course subscribe to my channel. And of course I have other videos you would like, and I will leave them here on the screen for you. Till I come your way next time. I love you guys. Bye.